Okay, class, good morning. Napriyan sa ako ni Nablos ang kwarto. Sorry, gig class yes, bago ko bugtaw, ay lang idugay mga 5 minutes ago. Klase ko dayon kay the 2 days ago bala before sini was called sa eskwelahan kay may importante nga asikasuhon. So, ito ay gig ko kay mo video for 2 days sa tanan kong subject. So, ah ano ni, loading pa ko class. So, continue ta nga ton nga topic, no, accounting equation. Di ko ni pwede bilin lang sa inyo. So, kinangala ko gini-explain kay amo ni nga akong ginapaminsa kagabi isang nag-out ko sa obra mga 11:30 klase ko guro danay sa ano ay accounting kay base og libog tong ulo nila. Ang concern ko class kay ano nang aral sa accounting equation. So, hindi ko gusto ay bilin ko lang sa inyo kay hindi man sa theories. Ang theories, hindi ko man mabilin man sa inyo. No? Ay gusto ko makabalugig ka mo sa accounting. Okay. So, para dasig lang ta, start ta dayon. So, we have the accounting equations. Our accounting equation is assets equals liabilities plus owner's equity. So, to give you a overview sa atong accounting equation. So sa isa ka business, so when you put up a business, whether it's a sole proprietor, partnership, or even a corporation, accounting equation, di kini siya madula. Kay no, amo ni siya ang backbone sang accounting, no, sang dire di matiyog si accounting. Si assets equals liabilities plus owner's equity aton accounting equation. So, when we speak of asset, no, ang ma-take up na sa in detail sa aton nga last topic no, types of major account. Pero just to give you an overview, amo na siya ang asset, amo na siya ang ginhatag mo sa business. Daw mo na ang ginapanigayahan sang business. Okay, asset. No? Kagang asset, mo na siya ang mabulig sa imo, no, nga mag-operate ang imo business. Okay, asset. No? Si liabilities, amo ni sa ang mga utang mo for your business. Okay? Liabilities, utang para kay business. Ginutang mo na sa para kay business, ginutang mo na sa para ka-operate ka. Okay? So, si liabilities, there is a may outflow ka sang imong asset in the future, no, para ibayad mo kay liabilities. Si owner's equity, mo ni siya ang bilin kung ibuhin mo ang liabilities mo kay asset. No? Kung ang imo nga ginapanigayahan, buhin mo dang mga utang mo, ang bilin mo is owner's equity. Do ang butang ang buot silingon yan no, in simple term, do amo ni siya ang gin-invest sang tag-iyagid nga iyagid ya. No, wala luwas ang liabilities, no, kay kung si liabilities amo ni sa ang amo ni siya ang ginhalinan isang liabilities are the suppliers, mga creditors, no, ginpangutangan mo, no, para maka-invest ka kay asset. Dayon nag-invest ka pag mo personal, so that would be your owner's equity. So that is why owner's equity is kung i-reconstruct mo ni ang formula or ang equation, owner's equity is ang asset mo, buhinan mo sa imo liabilities, ang bilin is the owner's equity. Okay? So always remember that the equation must be balanced. Okay? Must be balanced. So that is very, very important no, sa accounting. So the accounting equation is the basic tool of accounting where the left side of the equation shows the resources owned by the business. So ning resources, it's either ginutang mo or ginutang mo or gin-invest mo personally. Okay? So with the business in the right side of the equation shows the resources that are applied to the business by the outside creditors, which refers to the liabilities, and the owners, which refers to the owner's equity. So for example, we have here assets invested by the owner. So si owner nag-invest. So ano aton nga anong effect sa aton nga accounting equation? So July 1, Paulo Reyes started a delivery service. So muna sang iyang nature sang iyang negosyo, it's a delivery service on July 1, 2020. The following transactions occurred during the month of July. He invested 800,000 cash and cars amounting to 200,000. So nag-invest si Paulo Reyes 800,000 nga cash, no, and 200,000 nga worth sang car. So anong effect sa iyang liability? It's ang asset ta madugang, no, cash of 800,000, cars 200,000, and owner's equity of 1 million. Since halin giniya kay Reyes, wala yan niya ginutang, so hindi tada sa liabilities. Okay? So klaro na to ang aton nga July 1 nga transaction, no? Balance gid ha. Nagdugang i-asset kay nag-invest sa. So that is why nag-owner's equity ta. Okay? So number 2, borrowings from the bank. So in July 2, Reyes borrowed 100,000 cash from PNB for use in business. So nagdugang iya cash, no, kay nagutang siya. Okay? Are, cash siya, no, 100,000, gina 800,000 to nagdugang sa cash. Cash is an asset, no? Kay maka-benefit kada, no? Once kumagamata asset, maka-benefit tada, no? So 900,000 100,000 nag-invest ta. Nag-invest, nagutang ta kay PNB, so it's a liability, no? Kay ang source sa aton nga 100,000 nga ginbutang ta sa asset is from the creditor, which is a PNB. So we have a liabilities here of 100,000. And dagdugang aton cash of 100,000 sa aton nga asset. Okay? So no July 7, assets purchased for cash. So bought tables and chairs from Orocan and paid 45,000 cash. So what would be the effect in our accounting equation? Nagbuhin iya cash, kinagbakal siya. Nagdugang man iya asset, kay ang tables and chairs, asset na siya class. No, kay iya na iyan ni business, no, nang mabulig na through the purchase of tables and chairs. So si Reyes to, si Mr. Reyes could fully operate na sa iyang business. Kaya need man ginang tables and chairs. It's an asset. No, later on padalaman ta na siya diin na siya nga account makadto. But for our discussion today, dire lang ta danay ma-stick sa aton nga accounting equation. So tables and chairs would go into our assets, and since nagpagwa ta cash, no, nagbayad ta cash, our cash will be decreased, but our assets will also increase since nagbakal ta tables and chairs. So there will be no effect, no, in our liabilities and owner's equity, only the asset. There is a increase in asset, which is our furniture, so 45,000, and there is a corresponding decrease in our cash of 45,000. Okay? So wala siya nag-effect sa duwa, but nag-effect siya sa assets lang. Pwede lang na siya class. Pwede gina sa. No? Still balance ang aton nga accounting equation. So various equipment were purchased on account, no? Purchase on account means nag-utang kita, no? On account from Fortune for 55,000. So equipment is an asset. So the amount of equipment of 55,000 will go to our assets, no? And we have a utang, no, of 55,000. That would be accounts payable since we purchase the equipment, no, on account. Okay? So dugang aton liabilities kay nagutang kita sa aton nga creditor, which is the Fortune, to buy an equipment that will go to our asset. So utang tada is so si Fortune nagkuha ta resources kay Fortune through utang. So liabilities, madugang aton liabilities, madugang aton utang, madugang aton nga assets. So cash withdrawal by the owner. So Reyes made a cash withdrawal of 5,000 for personal use. So this will be accounted for. No, very important. No, since business entity has a separate personality from its owner, so i-record ni sa even though si Reyes ang owner sang negosyo, which is the delivery service. So ang matabo dira is mabuhi naton equity of 5,000 ay mabuhi naton nga cash of 5,000. No, as you could see, nag-decrease aton cash by 5,000. Bali nag-withdraw da si Mr. Reyes, no, worth 5,000 pesos for his personal use. So wala man na way man ta nag-deviate sa business entity principle kay tigen record taman nga siya nag-withdraw cash for 5,000 sa business. Okay? Nag-decrease ang cash ni business, nag-decrease man ang owner's equity kay do muna do nagkuha siya 5,000 no, nagbuhi niya asset, why man siya nagbayad utang, so hindi matandog ang liability, so mabuhin niya owner's equity. Okay, payment of liability in July 20, the account due to Fortune was paid in cash. Pila to ganing utang ta kay Fortune, it's 55,000. So ang matabo is mabuhin naton cash since nagbayad ta and nagbuhin man aton liabilities, no? 55,000, wala na ta utang. Nagbuhin naton cash. Pero may equipment taya, no? Muna sa class. So wala man tada na perde, no? Gininvest naman na sa negosyo. Okay, so even though nabuhin naton cash, so wala nabuhin naton cash, nabuhin man utang mo, no? So ang buhin sa libog sa ulo mo, no? Dayon may equipment ka pa, no? You have the equipment, no, for your business. So the following table summarize the effects of this transaction in the accounting equation. You have here ang assets ta. We have the following asset: cash, cars, furnitures, equipment. We have the following liabilities: it's loans payable and accounts payable. And for owner's equity, the drawings of Mr. Reyes and the owner's equity of Mr. Reyes. So we have here the summary of our transactions for July 1. Amo ni siyang investment ni Mr. Reyes, no? Itong 800,000 cash and 200,000 worth of car. So most probably this is a second-hand car, no? Nga rusko-rusko na bino for his business. Okay, number 2 is nag-loan siya sa PNB worth 100,000. Nag-increase iyang cash of 100,000 and there is a corresponding liability since nag-utang siya from PNB, which is a creditor, no, a third party, no. Muna siya ang resources nga ginhatag sa ginbutang sa business, no, aside from the owner's contribution, no. Ang owner's contribution makadto na di sa capital. So total no, as of July 2, no, ang cash is 900,000, car siya is 200,000, ang loans payable niya is 100,000 ang utang niya, and ang iyang total, ang iyang capital is 1 million. So when we total it, so our liabilities and the owner's equity is 1,100,000. Ang iyang total assets would be 1,100,000 too. So it's balanced. So after and on July 7, ang natabo is nagutang siya kay nagbayad siya, no? He bought furnitures in cash. So there is an increase in our asset, no? Our furniture. Dugang ta 45,000, but there is a corresponding deduction in our cash of 45,000 man kay nagbakal kita furnitures in cash. Okay? So we have the following balances: 855,000, 200,000, 45,000. Still, our balance would still be 1,100,000. Okay, and on July 15, we have a transaction. Now we purchased equipment from Fortune Company worth 55,000 on account. So we have an increase in our equipment and under assets, and we have an increase in our liability of 55,000 for accounts payable. So our liabilities increased, our assets increased. Still, our accounting equation is balanced. Okay? So we have here the following balances. When you total your total assets and you total your liabilities plus owner's equity, it would still be the same. And for our July 18 transaction, Mr. Reyes made a cash withdrawal worth 5,000 pesos. Our cash decrease worth 5,000 and we have to record drawings of 5,000. So why is it nga naka-parentheses, no? Under owner's equity. Under owner's equity, capital di positive, no? Kay tiga increase, no? Wala pa ta sa debit and credit class ha. So, gabalang tao na when we speak of owner's equity, capital, if it's a owner's equity additional contribution, it would be an addition, no? But if we have cash withdrawals, so drawings, so it's a contra equity account. When we speak of contra equity account, it's a deduction from our equity. So that is why it's a deduction 5,000 since drawings is a contra equity account, no, a deduction from our equity. Okay, so for we have here balances, and for our July 20 transaction, we paid Fortune Company for the equipment that we bought on account. So we paid 55,000. So our accounts payable will be extinguished, no? Ma-zero ni siya. Then we have a deduction of 55,000 from our cash. But we have an equipment here, okay? It's already recorded above. Excuse me, class. So we have here the following balances. So we have a total cash of 795,000. We have cars of 200,000 and we have furnitures of 45,000 and equipment of 55,000. So we have a total of 1,095,000. So for our liabilities, we have still a loans payable of 100,000. Wala man ta nagbayad kay PNB. We have accounts payable of 0 since nagbayad na ta kay Fortune. We have a drawings of 5,000 and 1 million capital owners capital contribution. So total of this is 1,095,000. Excuse me, sorry, di class sakay. Bagubog tawbi mo. 1,100,000 untouchable na to siya tani kaso nag-withdraw si Mr. Reyes, no, 5,000. So we have here determining profit through operation. We have accrual basis of accounting versus cash basis. So you have already know what is a accrual basis and cash basis. So when we speak of accrual basis, we recognize revenue when it is earned, no, regardless of when was the actual cash was received, and recognize expenses when incurred. So under cash basis, yeah, no, which is we don't do that. Excuse me, no, sa aton generally accepted accounting principles. Excuse me, class. Di ko ni maliwat ng video, no? Sa tungod sa amo ni. Lawig na ta. Cash basis, we record revenue when it is when the actual cash was received, and we record expenses when the actual payment was made. So it's not we don't follow that. So we follow the accrual basis of accounting, no, for proper matching of income and expenses. So under the expense recognition principle, expenses can be recognized either as matching or systematic allocation or direct association. So when we speak of matching, we recognize expenses when the corresponding revenue was earned. Okay? For systematic allocation, so we have a something formula that we use, no, for the allocation of expenses. And for direct association, no, kung somewhat like same man sa matching. Okay? So hindi tala na pagpadalman, no? But ang aton nga gina-follow is the matching principle. Okay? So profit measures the performance of the company. If the revenue exceeds expenses, of course you have a net profit. If otherwise, it is a loss, no? Of course, when your revenue exceeds your profit, may ginansya ka gid, yeah. And if otherwise, of course, it's a loss. Okay? So to continue, so receive cash for revenue earned. Di niya nga ano. Di niya transaction. So, tanta transaction. So, to continue our transaction no sa babaw tong table ta. Receive cash for revenue earned. Okay? Whereas ang iyang revenue is 15,000. This is his revenue, no? So ang iyang cash nakabaton sa cash as his revenue, and it would also increase his owner's equity, which is a service revenue madugang na sa iya equity, no? So nakabaton sa cash and madugang iyang equity. Is it since nag-increase yung owner's equity, is it a owner's contribution? No, it is a revenue. Okay? So later on kung padalma kung ara na gid ta sa aton nga accounting cycle, mabalaan ta ni why service revenue is added to our owner's equity. Okay? But revenue is an addition to our owner's equity. Okay, so assets ta, nag-increase ang cash, no? Again, so we have here another transaction, paid cash for expenses incurred. So cash paid for the following, gas and oil 500 and car repairs 1,000. So nagpatugong siya worth 500 and incurred car repairs of 100,000. Ano matabo? Nagbayad siya. So our cash will be decreased and ang our owner's equity would decrease. Why? Expense. It's an expense. It's an outflow of our resources. No? Nagpagwa ta kwarta. So we have the following expenses. Gas and oil, it's 500. And repair expenses, 1,000. It's a deduction on our owner's equity. Okay, since it's an expense. No? So to simplify, if it's a income, it will increase our equity. If it's an expense, it will decrease our equity, no? To simplify. So revenue rendered on account. So gina purchase on account, we record accounts payable, no? Nagbakal ta utang, diri revenue rendered on account, render na kita sa services pero wala ta ginbayaran. So ginutang sa aton naton services. So another customer hired the services of Reyes and promised to pay 16,000 on July 31. So mabayad sa kuno 16,000 July 31, but you have already rendered a service. So since we are on accrual basis of accounting, we record revenue when it is earned. So na-earned na since we have already rendered our services. So ano na siya nga account? It's a accounts receivable. So ang assets ta hindi lang na cash kasa, hindi lang na furnitures, hindi lang na equipment, accounts receivable since may ginapaabot kita nga kwarta. No? It's accounts receivable 16,000 since it is a service revenue. It's an addition to our owner's equity. No? There is a corresponding transaction no nagasabat no sa aton nga accounting equation, no? Kung nag-effect kay left, ma-effect man kay right, or either dire lang siya ma-effect, or dire. Okay? Follow lang sa cursor. Paid for expenses incurred. So nagbayad siya. Kailangan nagtawag si mother. Kailangan ko lang gitsabat. So paid 500 pesos for telephone bill. So nagbuhin siya cash, no? Kaya nagbayad siya sa butang pa sa Globe. Bayad siya 500 pesos, and telephone expense is a deduction from our owner's equity since it is an expense. So revenue earned with a down payment balance on account. So dire nagrender siya revenue, mayang customer nagbayad cash, ang bilin is a receivable, no? So bayaran niya lang sa sunod. Okay? So, butang ta, ang cash is 10,000 and accounts receivable is 20,000. So, ang service revenue is worth 20,000. 50% is in ginbayaran cash and 50% is in accounts receivable. No? Sunod niya pa ni bayaran. So, it's an asset. No? Our cash will increase by 10,000. Our accounts receivable will increase by 10,000. So our service revenue will increase our owner's equity of 20,000 since a revenue. We have customers account collected in cash. So the customer on July 24 paid 50% of his account in cash. So itong hambal ato kaginang utang niya to bala nga 16,000. So promise ako no bayad sa on July 31 16,000, but on July 30 on July 30, 50% lang ginbayad ya. So to nga sang 16,000, no? Ginbroke ya promise mapay sa kuno 16,000 whole sa July 31. So we'll see kung gintuman niya na nga promise. I think wala. So to nga lang ya ginbayran. So nakabaton kita cash of 8,000. Kag nabuhi na to na accounts receivable which is under sa aton asset man, no, of 8,000. So wala effect sa aton liabilities, wala effect sa aton owner's equity, only sa aton nga asset, no? But still our equation is equal. So next is paid cash for expenses incurred. Okay, so July 31, paid 10,000 for rental of office space and salaries of 9,000. So total of 19,000, no? These were made in cash. So our cash will decrease by 19,000 and our owner's equity will be decreased, no? Since we paid for our rent expense of 10,000 and salaries expense of 9,000, no? To simplify again, class, revenues increases our owner's equity and expenses decreases our owner's equity. Okay, so we have here an assessment, no, for your exercises. For each transaction, tell whether the assets, liabilities, and equity will increase, decrease, or is not effect. So follow lang class kaya I will answer this in directly, no, impromptu, no. Wala ta kabalo kasi wala ko nagkablusong answer. Saranto lang sa joke lang. So the owners invest personal cash in business. So our asset will increase. Letter I, liabilities no effect, equity will increase, no, since it's a owner's contribution. So the owners withdraw business assets for personal use, our assets will decrease, no? O it's either cash or ginkuha ang cars yada or ano pa ang mga pinag-iyahan sa pinag-iyahan sang negosyo, no? It's not only cash, no? Pwede ma-withdraw or it's either a other asset, non-cash asset. So ma-decrease aton asset, no effect sa aton liability, our equity will decrease since a contra equity account, no? Owners withdrawals. And number 3, the company receives cash from a bank loan, no? So our asset will increase aton asset. Then our liability will also increase, no? Kaya we have a bank loan that was incurred, no? Nagutang ta sa bangko. So the company repays the bank that had lent money. So our liabilities will decrease, no? Will decrease. Okay, company repays the bank. Okay, ma-decrease aton asset, no? Nagbayad ta kay bangko. So our cash will decrease. Our liability will also decrease. Okay, so the company purchases equipment with its cash. Our asset will increase. Our asset also will decrease. Our asset will increase since ang equipment na nagdugang. Our asset will decrease since nagbuhi naton cash. So, NE, no effect. Okay? Equal lang ang increase kag decrease kay asset. No effect kay liabilities, no effect kay equity. So the owner contributes personal cash to the business, assets will increase, liabilities no effect, equity will increase. So ang asset ni makadto ni sa kay equipment. Okay? So the company purchases supplies on credit, no, on credit or on account, it's still the same. So supplies increase, so asset will increase, liability will increase since we purchase supplies, no, that will go to our asset. So we purchase these supplies on credit, our liabilities will increase, no effect for our equity. The company purchases land by paying half in cash and signing a note. So nagbakal ta land, ang tunga ginbayran ta, ang tunga ginutang ta. So our land ma-record ta, it will increase. Butang ta it's 1 million worth of land. Nagbayad ta 500,000 since we paid 50,000. We paid 50% in cash. Our asset will increase no to, di ba, sa land. Our asset no sa cash will decrease by 500,000. But our asset no ang land nag-increase to, di ba, 1 million. So we have a difference of 500,000 nga increase. Mas dako ang increase sa decrease. So our answer here is increase. And our liability will also increase no by 500,000 kay naghambal siya nga 50%, we sign a note. So it's a note payable. It's a promissory note. No? Okay, so gets na ta di sa number 8. Why increase di nga increase di aton asset kay ang 1 million nga increase aton land is much bigger sa 500,000 nga decrease ta sa cash no nga ginbayad ta sa land. No? Okay, number 9, the owner withdraws cash for personal use. It's a decrease in our asset, which is our cash, no, under sa asset, and decrease in our equity. And the company repays the suppliers. Nag-decrease aton cash, no? Decrease aton cash at under asset, so decrease. Our liabilities will also decrease. No effects sa aton equity. So that ends our topic sa accounting equation. Hope you understand, class, and I'll make another video for types of major account.